they will not appreciate any of it. Just once. Just have that feeling for one glorious night.
You could go tonight.
We would need to find me a good costume. I cannot dance.
A lady who cannot dance.
You're quite the teacher.
You are perhaps the most intriguing person I've ever met.
Real cold when I need you and you don't show up. You can get cocky when you want me and I say I'm done.
Mr. Bridgerton.
Do we know one?
For us, but we both love the smoking on lungs. So stay for the night. It'll bury the crime. Tell me a lie. It'll buy us some time.
You must marry. You have not met the right young lady.
I am charting a more venturesome course.